This is our video assignment over global warming. Global warming is the issue of how the average global temperature on Earth is continuing to increase. The reason for this is due to the greenhouse effect, which is caused by the increased levels of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, and other pollutants in the atmosphere too. The reason for the increase of all these pollutants is because we are burning too much fossil fuels, deforestation, and even when we drive cars. Why it is important is because no matter what, global warming is real and it negatively affects everyone, no matter what. Our glaciers are melting, our sea levels are increasing, even animals are dying due to our global warming. And even severe weather is in effect when it comes to global warming.
Now, both opposing sides are, of course, still debating on whether global warming is real or not. But for those who believe it's real, they are taking action to reduce its effects. For example, they invest in solar panels, they reduce their water and food waste, and they also utilize clean energy, like I said, solar panels, just to name a few. And of course, those who don't believe it's real want to keep the production of fossil fuels and greenhouse gases high so that we can, of course, power our houses and all that. Now, there are some conspiracies about global warming. Some scientists say that the Earth is more resistant to climate change due to the effects of the effects of global warming than people think. For example, plants and animals will adapt to small changes in the environment due to global warming, and then changes in weather patterns are unlikely to be something that will be catastrophic and will happen as a result. They also argue that the economic change caused by cutting down the emission of greenhouse gases will be more detrimental to humans than any of the effects of greenhouse gases will. Now, whether or not you believe that global warming is real, it is a real issue today. You should really think about what you're doing in your daily lives, whether that be driving your car, leaving a light on for extended period of time, because what you do now affects future generations, and you should really think about what you're doing.
Thank you.